October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and so tonight we begin highlighting stories to raise awareness about this disease that claims the lives of 42,000 people every year.
This is very personal for our own Andrea Moorhead. She has fortunately been in remission since August, and she joins us now with news of the nation's first clinical trial for a debilitating side effect of chemotherapy. Andrea.
Well, and researchers at IU School of Medicine right here at home, they're spearheading this brand new trial which aims to reduce neuropathy and possibly find a cure.
Mentally, I feel like I'm stronger, but it's some days that it's really hard.
Seisha Wright was recently diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer.
First nausea medicine.
While she goes through chemo, the 32-year-old is also giving back, taking part in a clinical trial.
So, of course, I'm like, I would want to help any other black woman going forward to not get it, you know, and to find out why it doesn't only affect us.
The clinical trials in the United States have been markedly underrepresented by African American patients.
Dr. Brian Schneider is leading this national study to better understand the debilitating chemotherapy side effect of neuropathy.
We think we've discovered some biomarkers or blood tests that can predict who gets neuropathy.
Neuropathy is nerve damage that can show up as weakness, numbness, even throbbing pain and itching in your hands as well as in your feet during chemo treatment. Sometimes it can be permanent after chemo. In fact, I still suffer from neuropathy, taking gabapentin 4 times a day to lessen the pain. Neuropathy is more commonly found in black women, almost double the risk compared to women of other races. This first-of-its-kind study,
We just take a blood sample, we take the red blood cell and we transform it into a nerve.
hopes to figure out why.
What we do is expose these nerves in a test tube to the chemotherapy, and we can start to see the neurons retract back and being damaged.
The goal is to find drugs to better treat neuropathy and at best prevent it from ever happening. Pamela Yancey is a breast cancer survivor.
And this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I said 6 years, and I cried.
Whose neuropathy came back for a while last winter.
There are so many who are experiencing it and won't share. And if some way it can be alleviated, I think it will make your life much better. We have to be our own advocates.
This topic of neuropathy, especially for triple-negative breast cancer patients, was front and center at this year's Red Alliance Symposium, with a focus to end healthcare disparities.
I'm just excited that the doctors there at IU School of Medicine have decided to take this on, and the Red Alliance is really excited to be a partner with them to help to recruit participants and to make a change.
Right now we have 3 patients. The trial opened about 2 months ago and will be open at 85 sites across the United States.
While Seisha is fighting to beat breast cancer, she hopes her participation in the trial will provide critical information to improve chemotherapy side effects.
I do not want another woman to have to go through this, but if they do, maybe the research would be able to help them.
This is really groundbreaking research here. Now, this trial is open to any African-American woman who is currently going through chemotherapy. This clinical trial needs 240 participants. As you just heard, we only have 3. If you know of anyone who's interested, we have a link for more information. You can find this story on our website at WTHR.com.